Welcome to our online math class. This is the fourth video. Of course, we can see the fourth problem for differentiation in calculus. We want to differentiate with respect to x. We want to differentiate with respect to x. We have two problems here. The first one says x squared minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, this is the one we have. But in calculus, for differentiation, there are problems that if you are asked to differentiate them, you can apply a choice. There are choices, like for this one. This function multiplies this function, and each is in a bracket separated by a multiplication sign. So it's a matter of choice. If you want, you can apply product rule. But if you want, you can apply the general method, basically. So first of all, let us label this function. Let's say y is equal to. So we expand. If we don't want to apply product rule, let us apply. So x squared times x, we have x cubed. X squared times plus x, we have x squared. So we are done using x squared to multiply every term there. Let us use minus 2 again to multiply every term. Minus 2 times x, minus 2x, minus 2 times 1, minus 2. So we are done expanding. So now what do? We can now differentiate y with respect to x. So 3 times 1 is 3x. 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. X, 2 minus 1 is 1. But we don't have time to write it again. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. X raised to the power 0 is 1. If you want to see all that, 3 times 1 is 3. X, 3 minus 1 is 2. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Is 1. Then again, 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Differentiating a constant will give us 0. So 3x squared plus 2x, we ignore the 1, minus 2. X to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. So we ignore this one. So B part of the question says ax plus b, cx plus d. If you want, you can apply product rule. But if we want to escape product rule, let's start by representing a letter. Let's say the quantity y. We expand ax times cx, acx squared. Ax times plus b, adx. Plus b times x plus bcx. Plus b times d plus bd. Okay? So what do? We can say y is equal to acx squared. These two are like terms. Yes. So what is common? This term contains single x. This term again contains single x. So we can say x is common. X takes away x, leaving AD. Plus x takes away x, leaving BC. So we continue with BD. Alright, so now we can differentiate y with respect to x. So the power is 2, the coefficient is AC. So 2 times AC, 2AC. So the power minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. The coefficient is AD plus BC. The power is 1. 1 times the coefficient is the coefficient. That is AD plus BC. But the power here is 1. but we must say minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Plus, this is a constant. What makes it a constant? It is independent of x. It does not contain the variable x. So it's a constant in this function. So differentiating a constant is 0. So 2acx with a power of 1, we ignore it. X to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times the bracket is just the bracket. AD plus BC. Plus 0, we ignore that. So this is what we have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for the YouTube channel Amaraship Online Maths. Thank you. Bye-bye.